So when we start with blues, basically the first thing I would mentalize is the blues form. Normally in jazz you have the so-called jazz blues, which is a 12-bar blues, and the first thing is to sing the blues form in degrees. Scale degrees is a really easy concept. If you have like a scale C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, or Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, you call the first step 1, the second 2. That's easy. So basically in the blues you have like all dominant chords, and you have like a certain, what you call a progression, where you go from the first degree to the fourth degree, then to first degree. You know, I will show you this on a little graphic. The first thing would be to put maybe a metronome and sing the degrees and maybe count even the pulses. So you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 2, 5, 1. Since music is circular, now you are again at the beginning of the chorus. Like one time through is one chorus. When you get the degrees and you can sing the progression in degrees, it's really easy to transpose this in all keys. We did this in C. So I will sing this in the Kodai solfege. Do, fa, do, fa, fa, do, la, re, sol, do, la, re, sol, do. Fa habe ich jetzt schon hier. Jetzt machen wir das in F. 1, 2, 3 und Fa, Ti, Fa, Fa, Ti, Ti, Fa, Re, Sol, Do, Fa, Re, Sol, Do, Fa, Ti. And so on. It's kind of, you know, if you get the degrees going, then it becomes easy to see the intervals.